So you've got an AWeber email list, great. But now you're wondering, what's the best way to actually use those subscribers? If you're not strategic, you're just sitting on a list of emails that won't do anything for your business. But if you do this right, you'll turn those subscribers into actual revenue, and I'll show you how in just a few minutes. Plus, at the end, I'll share an exclusive free trial for a better alternative if AWeber isn't giving you what you need. All right, let's get into it. First, you need to segment your list. Sending the same email to everyone is a mistake. AWeber lets you create tags and segments, but it's not as advanced as some competitors. You can segment based on open rates, clicks, or past purchases, but the automation options are limited compared to tools like ActiveCampaign or ConvertKit. If you're running a simple newsletter, AWeber is fine. But if you want deep automation, like triggering different emails based on user behavior, you might find it frustrating. Next, your emails need to be engaging. If people don't open them, your list is useless. AWeber has a decent drag-and-drop email builder, but let's be real, it looks outdated. Their templates feel generic, and while it gets the job done, it lacks the modern polish of competitors. If you're serious about branding, something like Flowdesk or MailerLite gives you more design flexibility. The third thing, automated follow-ups. This is crucial for turning subscribers into customers. AWeber does offer automation, but it's pretty basic. You can set up an autoresponder sequence, but if you want dynamic workflows that adjust based on user actions, AWeber isn't great. Again, tools like GetResponse or Brevo, formerly Sendinblue, give you more control over automations. Now, deliverability. How often do your emails actually reach inboxes instead of spam? AWeber is decent, but not the best. Platforms like ConvertKit and ActiveCampaign consistently rank higher in email deliverability tests. If you notice low open rates, your emails might be landing in promotions or spam folders, and AWeber doesn't give you much control over that. Finally, monetization. How do you actually make money from your AWeber subscribers? AWeber does let you sell digital products directly from emails, which is a cool feature. But if you're doing affiliate marketing, selling high-ticket products, or running a membership site, you might find better success with platforms that integrate more seamlessly, like Kartra or Systemd.io. So, is AWeber good? It's okay for simple email lists, but if you need better automation, design, and deliverability, there are much stronger options. Now, if you want to try an email platform that gives you way more power, better automation, and higher conversions, I've got an exclusive extended free trial linked below. And if you're still exploring, I've also included other amazing alternatives that are better for growing and monetizing your email list. All with free trials ***. Check the link below for the best deals available only to our viewers.